What if you could prove to your leadership that your DevOps improvements are actually working with hard data instead of just gut feelings, and identify exactly where your team should focus next? Well, stick around because I want to show you insights in Octopus Deploy. With Insights, you get automatic DORA metrics from your existing deployment data. There are no additional tools to buy or configure. You can track your team's performance over time. You can make data-driven decisions about process improvements and answer questions like, are our deployments becoming more reliable? Or how quickly can we deploy new features with real data instead of making assumptions? Today I'm using the Octopus Deploy demo instance at demo.octopus.app, and this is one you can log into yourself as a guest and play around with, so make sure you check it out. Every user of Octopus Deploy has access to insights on a per project level. So let's check that out first by going to the Octo Pet Shop project, and then you'll find insights on the left-hand side. Straight away, you'll see valuable insights here aligning to the DORA metrics. So you'll notice deployment frequency and deployment lead time at the top. And as I scroll down, there are more graphs showing the deployment failure rate, mean time to recovery, and we also surface some deployment duration insights too for successful and queued deployments. At the top left, you can change the environment you're viewing the metrics for. So if I switch that to the development environment, the insights will update and show the data relevant to that environment. For each of the metrics, we provide you with trend indicators shown by a number and an arrow indicating the direction. For example, the average deployment frequency for the last 4 weeks is 8, and that's trending down from the 4 weeks prior to that. And the deployment failure rate is averaging 25%, which is trending up from the previous 4 weeks. These trend indicators have a sentiment denoted by its colour, with red being negative and green being positive. Towards the top right, you'll see a date range which is being applied to the graphs below, and you can change this to a number of different presets we provide. Each of these insights can be clicked into to show additional data, where you still have the same graph available, but as I scroll down for deployment frequency, I get insights into the longest time between successful deployments and the most recent successful deployments, and these link off to the specific release if I wanted to follow the breadcrumbs and view information about a certain release. What I've shown here is all based on insights on a per project basis, but if you're an enterprise customer of Octopus Deploy, you can leverage space level insights by coming to the Insights tab on the left-hand side. In this environment, I don't have access, but you'd normally start here by creating an Insights report. And actually, I can show you what some of the options would look like. Let's go to the pre-built Kubernetes deployments report, and I'll go into settings. If you were creating a new report, you'd fill out these settings to determine which project groups and projects you want to scope your report to, and you can choose specific channels and group different environments for the sake of the report. Let's go back to the Overview tab, and this now surfaces those same metrics but across any projects in this Octopus Deploy space that I want, rather than being scoped to a single project. I could now change the view. Maybe I want to split it by project to see which projects are performing best or need attention. Or I can easily change that to split the graphs based on environment, easily allowing me to see how my development, staging, and production environments compare across my entire space. Whether you're tracking a single project or managing multiple teams, these insights in Octopus Deploy give you the visibility to drive real improvements instead of just hoping things will get better. So go ahead and check it out today in your own instance, or sign up for a free 30-day trial at octopus.com.